Hey guys, welcome back. To start off this makeup tutorial, I am going to make sure to prime my whole eyelid using my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. And the first color I'm going to use is this hot pink eyeshadow from the Sephora Pro palette. And the one I have is the Editorial palette. And what I'm going to be doing is this thing called pigment dump. So I'm going to quote unquote dump all the pigment in the crease area. And I'm going to make sure to disperse the pigment evenly. And to blend out all the pigment, I'm going to use this bright purple eyeshadow that's next to the bright pink. And I'm going to blend out the very edges of this pigment that's in the crease. And once I've blended out that crease color, I'm going to make sure to diffuse that bright purple shade upwards. After I cut my crease with my concealer, I'm going to go back to that hot pink shade and I'm going to apply it on the inner and outer corners, and I'm also going to blend it inwards into the concealer. Once that's done, I'm going to take this holographic pink and I'm going to apply it all over the eyelid, and I'm going to blend it inwards and outwards. I'm going to go back into that hot pink eyeshadow and I'm going to reapply it on my inner and outer corner, and I'm going to make sure that the hot pink and the holographic pink are nicely blended together. Using a defined tightening brush, I'm going to reapply some of that hot pink at the very edge of my cut crease. Next, I'm going to apply my favorite highlighting shade, MAC Nylon, to make the center of my eyelid just a tad bit brighter. For eyeliner, I'm going to be using my new favorite, the Fenty FINELINER, and oh my god, it's so good that it has now replaced my Stila liquid eyeliner. I kid you not. I'm going to use my Kevyn Aucoin eyelash curler to curl my eyelashes, and I'm also going to use some Smashbox Superfan Fanned Out Mascara, which I've really been liking. I'm going to make sure to wipe off all the fallout using a makeup wipe before I go into my Maybelline Master Conceal Concealer. And I'm going to be using a MAC 217 brush to blend my concealer into my eyeshadow. That way there are no crisp lines. I'm going to go back into that hot pink eyeshadow and I'm going to use that to pack it on my bottom lash line. And I'm going to be using a smudging brush to make sure that the pigment is nicely packed down. I'm going to use the bright purple to blend out that bottom lash line. And I'm going to use 2 layers of this color to make sure that the bottom lash line is nicely blended. I'm going to use a little bit of NYX glitter primer and I'm going to apply that in the inner corner. That way I can go into my NYX glitter brilliance in the shade Rose, and I'm going to also pack that on the inner corner. I used about 2 layers of this. To highlight, I'm going to be using my Ride or Die My Makeup Forever Illuminizing Powder in the shade 02, and I'm going to shower myself in this highlight like usual. And that does it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you did, make sure to drop me a like and don't forget to come back every single week for new videos. Bye!